Drift and ditch, bro.
Yeah, let's burn the spot, bro. What's up, everybody? So it's another day here at Tuning Tokyo HQ. We're getting some last minute touches ready on our show. Gio's doing the trophies. We're working on the sound check, generator, making sure that everything is straight for the show on Saturday. We got our Tokyo wax label stuff set up. But hey, it's been a busy day so far. We're gonna take a little break. It's actually raining outside today, so we're gonna take advantage of that and do a little bit of drifting in Ivan's FRS. You ready?
Yeah, dog. Always ready.
What up? Send it.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be a good day. Have you seen that Canadian video?
Be a good day. Just gonna send it.
Gio, while we go drift, let's order us some pizza. So that way when we're done, we just munch.
Pizza Hut.
Nah, Domino's gets all the hoes.
Oh, blood, I need that stuffed crust pizza.
Domino's gets all the hoes. Gio?
Greasy shit, that's bad.
Domino's.
You need it, blood.
Hey, raise your hand if you want Domino's.
Dog, Domino's all day.
That's two.
Swift Daddy,
What about you, Swift? Where you at, dog?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut or Domino's?
Like this, man. I don't know.
Hey, well you got.
Get swept away.
Well, you're fucked, Gio.
Nah, blood.
Domino's, sorry.
Let's go ahead and let's get some fun.
Damn, roll for the wrong shoes.
Bro, you're about flop.
I got the Pumas.
The Puma.
What the hell is this? You gotta fucking
Bro,
prepare a sign for.
It's when I go homeless, bro. It's like
Will work for free food.
we'll work for food.
You got your homeless sign ready, bro, in case this event don't work.
You gotta make sure you hold this traction control off, bro. That's drift mode engaged, bro.
Fuck the info. Let's just send it, bro.
OG, Bobby, Josh. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Nigga with the killers in the project. Take up on a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG.
Damn, bro, let's get over it.
Yeah, let's get over
more
here.
space, dog. You're gonna crash into someone, bro.
Shit.
So we just drove to a neighborhood real quick because where we were in our complex, normally there's not that many cars there, but there were a lot of cars kind of like right by the warehouse. We didn't want to end up like crashing into one of them, so we just drove down the street to this like up in the hills where they were balling and shit, but there's no cars on the street, so. Oh, damn, you know how close you were right there?
It's been a few fucking, it's been a while, guys.
Cause your nigga get licks. Hit a million, but he still nigga. Nigga must. You want a nigga full of shit. Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. You a nigga wild, one up. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make us treat you like the Pope. Work the block, and the kid in the Pope. Nigga hit it with the phone. It's the niggas that you trust that are probably your fate. They know your heart cause you're right.
That was legitness.
Drift and ditch, bro.
Damn, that shit's fucking fun, bro. Good job. Good shit,
like,
man.
it's been a while, I'm a little rusty.
Some
but
figure eights, bro.
Hey, man.
That's what we do on our breaks. Alright, let's head back.
Homeboy right
Oh, another 86 spotted.
Yeah, that's that yellow TRD one, man. I don't
Fuck with the color.
Nah,
Just being real. Fuck, dude. My feet are wet, bro. I wore the fucking the flip flops. Dude, Ivan straight crashed, bro.
Hey, okay, dog.
He hit a pole.
I just sent that shit, dog. Just
Crash?
Yeah,
fuck
dude.
it, dog.
What you hit?
My bumper.
Yeah,
That means white body. How are you gonna go white body, bro?
I'm just fucking with you. He almost did, but oh yeah. I know you ready.
Are you hungry?
Yep. Pizza's here, dog. Damn, son. 80 bucks, Gio? There better be gold flakes on my crust. You try not to laugh. Do you guys have gold flakes on your pizza too? 80 bucks, bro?
Like 10 toppings on it.
Oh, that's why, my boy. I don't fuck with like half of the toppings on there.
Yeah.
Some buffalo wings.
Oh, that's barbecue, bro.
A barbecue? Yeah, it's buffalo. You don't even have to look at it.
No, it's ranch.
All the ranchets in the IE, bro.
You didn't bring me no plate?
Bro, we got?
Oh.
We don't have plates.
Always taking L.
He's like, I ain't got no flavor.
It's like, bro, it's fucking water, Ivan. It's fucking water.
Flavor with the peaks, bro.
Dude, soda's bad for you.
Bro, at least Kool-Aid, bro. Come on.
Kool-Aid, that's even worse.
Kool-Aid.
Bro, some Tang, some orange, like that.
It got no flavor. Water don't got no flavor, bro.
Got no flavor.
Damn, this tastes like disappointment.
It tastes like life to me, bro.
Come on here. Trust me.
Close it out, Jill. Fucking bitch.
No, close out the vlog. He's like, fuck that. So we're just gonna kill the food real quick, get back setting up the show. We just wanted to do a little brief video of taking Ivan's FRS out and taking advantage of the rain. It's pretty dope. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe. Be on the lookout for the video in a couple days. We're gonna have a lot of people there. Lemonade's coming, Throttle and Evan, Primo Auto Styling, Dustin Williams. We're gonna have a lot of people there. It's gonna be a really good time and can't wait to show it with you guys. I hope a lot of you guys actually go yourselves, and I'll see you at our show on Saturday. Peace out.
Everything I drop, play.